Today we're going to go ahead and create a lead distribution automation. We're going to go ahead and start with a example that's been requested quite a bit, which is distributing leads by zip code. Now there may be other ways you can distribute leads. Could be by area codes, could be by cities, by countries, etc. But you can basically create a this type of automation with any type of field in GoCRM. So we're going to go ahead and show you that. But for this example, as I mentioned, we're going to go ahead and use zip codes. So first we're going to start with filters. So we're going to go ahead and make a list for territory 1. So we're going to select address, contact address. It contains, and we're going to go ahead and select our zip code here, 2106 on it, or contact address contains 10,025, the other zip code. So you can do and, in this case we want or, right? So it's going to say it either has this zip code or this zip code on it. So we're going to go ahead and save this as territory 1. So this is my first territory. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my second territory, contact address. And as I mentioned, you can use city name. You can use maybe a phone number that contains a certain area code. Whatever patterns or fields that are on the system, you can utilize. So contact address contains 55343, and contact address contains and we want to use or. So to get or, as I mentioned, just click on and you're going to get the or filter. So either this zip code or this zip code. We're going to go ahead and save this as territory 2. Now these segments I'm probably not going to use, so I can go ahead and unfavorite them from my list, so I don't have to see them there. Now we're going to go ahead and visit automations, and we're going to select new automation. We're going to call this the lead distribution automation. We're going to select our list of leads, and we're going to go to our workflow. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check if they're in our segment territory 1. Okay. So I'm the person in charge of territory 1. So if they are in territory 1, I'm going to assign owner to me. Now, if they're not in territory 1, I'm going to check if they're in territory 2. So at that point, I'm going to assign owner David. So he's the one in charge of all the people that match that criteria. If for some reason this lead is just completely outside this territory, you can go ahead and either add a task, distribute it randomly. In this case, we can just distribute it randomly, round robin it, and so on, right? So you can create, do whatever distribution method at that point. But this is one way you can distribute leads. You check if it meets the criteria you're looking for in your territories, whether it's cities, zip codes, and so forth. Could be a custom drop-down selector of maybe product that they're interested in. And based on that, you can match it and you can trigger the owner. And then, of course, after that, you can always trigger a text message or some type of action from the owner if needed, or a simple task, right? You can create a task for the owner to make sure they call this person, right? Call your lead, which is the most important thing. You can automatically create this task for them to follow up after the lead has automatically been assigned to them. And remember, you can link with GoCRM, you can link sources such as Facebook, Zapier, any type of third-party source to bring all your leads in here automatically, or even import an Excel file with leads and have the system then automatically distribute them. Okay. Well, thank you very much. Please let us know if you have any questions.